So right now we're at the team photo for FSGP. Basically, it's like all the teams are just getting lined up. So we just got into our spot, and then they're gonna basically just take a top-down photo of all the cars and all the teams lined up next to their cars. Definitely made a lot of good progress in like the last couple of days. Yesterday we did a lot of our static scrutineering, and we got yellows and greens on all of those, which means green is good to go for the track, yellow is minor fixes, almost good to go. So what we're going to be working on today is finishing up some of those minor fixes, getting all greens on the static stuff, and then we also started dynamics yesterday, which is like actually moving the car around. So we weren't able to get to a good enough speed for the figure 8. We were about a second or two off. So what we're going to do today is we think we have a higher speed, higher power on the motor. And so we're going to reattempt that and see if we can get past dynamics. And then that'll be the last thing before we're able to get on track.
Yeah, I haven't slept in like a long time. I got soap in my pocket to wash my face later in the day because I haven't showered in like...
Is that on camera?
We're going to a company called CGS Machining Tooling, and last comp we actually had another mechanical issue that we had to fix, and they got it to us within the day. Last night, since something blew up in our shock, we have to get a cup that goes around it, remachined, and we're going to them once more, and they're more than willing to help.
Issue is a little too big. We measured it. We think it's about like 10-ish thou. Basically, sit in here, get bolted through to retain it.
Oh yeah, it won't take us probably an hour.
Okay.
Hour and a half.
Sounds great. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
We are bringing the car over to get green on lights and vision, one of our last scrutineering stations before we're ready to go. And once we're done with that, and we just have electrical and dynamics left.
The last check is we're going to just walk around, make sure all the lights are blinking when they're supposed to. I want to see a right turn signal. You're good to go on lights and vision. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So there's an issue with our motor controller where the motor is limiting how much current it can get. So we know that the motor can handle more and we're trying to give it more, but due to some issues beyond our control, we're trying to figure out how to access that power in the motor. And we thought we had this issue figured out last night. We're pretty sure we did, and there's just something going on where we might have the wrong code or some old code on the car that's keeping us from going at our full speed.
Because we have to get it.
No, there's not any changes in the code.
It still takes a very
Yeah, so just as a recap, the car was working at about 3 a.m. last night and not having this software overcurrent issue that we're experiencing now. Then we made some changes that we were suggested to make by someone who's really smart, but we're just going to go back to what we had at 3 a.m. last night.